My name is Tisha Lisa, and I'm here today with my students. But first, I'm going to let them introduce themselves.
Hi, my name is Jacqueline. Hello, my name is Priska. Hi, my name is Kate. Hello there, I'm Joanne.
Thank you, student. Today's activity, we are going to say bird's name based on the letters you are given. Do you understand?
Yes, Miss Lisa. Yes, Miss Lisa.
Okay then, let's start.
I'm holding letter P. Letter P stands for penguin. I'm holding letter E. Letter E stands for eagle. I'm holding letter H. H stands for hawk. I'm holding letter D. D stands for duck.
So kids, who can tell me which bird starts with letter S?
Me, I can.
Okay, tell me.
S stands for swan.
Very good. You all did very well. I'm so proud of you kids.
Thank you, madam.